Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie your hairs. So first tie the hairs on the sides and the back. Now take the hairs in small sections and join them in the between one by one as shown in the video. Make the plaits like this. Now tie all the hairs together on the bottom section of the hairs like this. Fix them and your hairstyle will be ready, or you can just keep it open and it will look good. Next, tie the hairs like this on the between and divide it into two parts and make the plaits. Now divide the hairs, fold them upward after making the plaits and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits. Fix them by tying it like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, tie the hairs on the back by making the plaits like this. Follow the same section for the other side. Now fold the hairs and fix it using the rubber bands and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs into 4 sections as shown in the video. Now divide them into 2 parts and make the plaits. Now join one section on the hairs on the alternative sides and fix them and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits. Now take another section of the hairs, tie above it like this and make the plaits by taking all the hairs on the sides. Now fix all the hairs together like this. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Fix them and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to pull the hairs from the sides a little bit like this and it's done. Next, tie the hairs into small sections like this. Now divide them and fix on the other section of the hairs like this. Fix them on the sides of it and then tie the hairs in the same manner on the other side and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs in the front and tie them using the rubber bands. Divide them into small sections and tie them using a rubber band like this. Now on the sides, tie the hairs and make the plaits like this. Fix them, follow the same step for the other side and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, tie the hairs by dividing them into 2 parts and make the plaits. Now again rotate the hairs using the hairstyling tool, make a bow on the top and fix it like this. Now tie all the hairs together and it's ready. Next, fix the hairs on the sides like this and then fold it upward using a bun making tool. Fold it and spread the hairs and your bun is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.